Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you this project that I worked on. These are pipe cleaner eyelash trim Christmas wreaths that I made. And this was the eyelash trim that my friend Crafting with Lynn sent me. We don't have a Dollar Tree here, so we can't get this beautiful eyelash trim. So she sent me some down, and that's what I created with them. Those ones, oh, I just find them, they're so pretty. And I did glue, these ones are beads that you get from Michael's in the long containers, and I just glued them on. And then I use these little foam balls. I have them in gold and in silver. And basically what I did was I used pipe cleaner and wrapped the eyelash trim around, and that's what I created. I'm going to take you through a tutorial on how I made that, and you guys can see that. But I wanted to show you, before I get into the tutorial, different material that you can use. So I also use this type of trimming, and that is this stuff that I got from Dollarama. It was $3, and you can make a load of the wreaths using this. I wanted to try and use that stuff, and so I'll show you. That's these ones here. So that's the gold. Look how pretty they are. And one thing to make sure that you do is, you can see on this one, I used the gold garland, but I used white pipe cleaner, and I should have used one that matched. So I should have used gold pipe cleaner. And then you wouldn't see the white through it, the bald spots, as you say. So these ones I did with gold, and you can't see the spots that maybe I didn't wrap it around. But that's those ones. And then the last ones I did, I used this garland here. Is that chenille garland? I'm not sure how you pronounce that. And basically it is pipe cleaner is exactly what it's like, but it's really furry. It's like a caterpillar, really. And it has tinsel pieces, so like metallic pieces coming through it. It's really super pretty. Now I wish I would have picked up more of this, because I think they're so beautiful. And but I had this color, or this style here. I have it in white, red, and green. That was the three colors that it came in. So those were super pretty. The bows were from either Michael's or the Atlantic Craft Store that I go to, but I think it was Michael's. And yeah, I think it was the buy one, get the one free. And they're just two pieces together, so they would be super easy to make on your own. And they're just squeezed together with a pipe cleaner. And that was the other one that I made. So I thought I would take you through just a quick little tutorial on how I made those. And keep in mind, you can use seed beads. You can make these mismatch and change the colors up. You can put, make it uneven and alternate where you're going to put things off to the side, inside, just like a regular Christmas wreath. But I thought I would share with you guys that. And if you want to stay tuned for the tutorial, it is coming up next. So all I'm going to do is take a pipe cleaner. Super easy. Doesn't matter the color, but I'm using the white because the colors that I have are pretty light, so I thought it would be easy. So I'm going to do one in mint green with you guys. So all I did was just take a glue container or something cylindrical, anything round like that, and I just did this with it just to give it a little bit of a shape. And then it kind of folds into the position that I want it in. So then all I did, you can cut these off. I'm going to just wrap it around. Doesn't matter what it looks like, because you're going to cover it anyway, so don't worry about that. So that part was super easy. All right, so now that I have that done, all I'm going to do from here is just take some of this eyelash trim, and I cut a long piece off. And I start with that. So let me grab some of the ribbon or the trim. Okay. And if you have to add more, you just add more. You just hot glue it. So it's not really a big issue. If you have any rubber fingers in that, you might want it for just the first and the last part, and from when you're putting the rubber balls on. foam balls, sorry. So all I'm going to do is, I like having my trim where I'm right-handed. I like having the eyelash part over to my left. That's just my preference. You can do it whatever way you want. So all I'm going to do is that. Use my little finger here. And I just place that on. It's going to be covered, so it really does not matter. This is just going to hold it in spot. Now, you can glue as you're going around, but I did not do that. I just kept wrapping and wrapping, and I actually went around it twice just to make sure that everything was full. So then I just clump this in the middle, pull it through, and drop it. Yeah, sometimes it gets tangled up, but that's all right. I'm not really worried about that. I just fix it and then I go on. So no rhyme, no reason, just keep throwing it through. All right, so I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to cut it. And then I'm gonna lay some glue on the trim there. And just wrap it around in behind. Give it time to set. And then that's the shape of your wreath. So then I just look at it and I decide where I want to put my bow. Now I have these bows here, and I'm really liking the silver with it. I can show you the gold that I have. So there's the gold, and I'm not sure I really care for the gold. So I'll give you let's just do this process. Oh, actually that does look pretty. I'm really liking the silver better, but I'm probably going to do this multiple times, so I may do a gold on another one, but in this video, I'll show you silver. So you can just lay your bow on and glue it. This one has the pipe cleaner around. It's actually 2 pieces in here. So all I'm going to do is just set some glue inside. I opened the pipe cleaner. I don't remember where I got these, if it was Michael's or that craft store that I go to. So then I just pick a spot that I want it to sit on, and I'm just going to pick right here. Then I just let that glue set. And then I'm just able to do that with it. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for the bow. There we go. Now, if you want, the way I have it on the other ones, I put a little dab of glue on the back, but that's fine just the way it is. It's not like it's going to be handled a lot. So, so from there, I can put some pink if I want. And then maybe not. I may stick a little bit of foam balls on it. So let's just put some on here. Let's start with the white first. So be careful when you're doing this. Where these beads are small, the glue can burn the fingers. So I usually hold the 2 holes in the bead between my fingers. And then I just set them wherever. I don't make try and match them up or anything. Although they tend to match up anyway. So maybe in my head I am, but then we go here. Oh, that's super adorable. I might just put a couple of, you know what? I'm going to stick with the white. I'm really liking this white. And, I don't know. It's always hard, but I'm going to do several of them. I'm not really going to be picky, but like so, and probably just one more here. Like that. And there we go. So you can leave it at that, or if you want to go around, you can put some pink on And you can even offset them so that they're not like in a circle all the way around, but you can put that there. Or I can even, let's see, what if I did like little tiny balls on there? Actually, I like that, so maybe that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to take the smaller little foam balls and just stick them in there. Again, if they fall to the side, they fall to the side, but glue, there we go. Let's get a little bit of bigger one here. Too big. Okay. There we go. See, you have your mindset one way, and then once you start creating, you see visions in your head that are different, and then you just start changing it. So there it is. What do you guys think? I think they look super adorable, and I love how it's all fluffy looking, and they I just in love with these. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you're all staying safe and taking care of yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.